protecting your vehicle starts from the ground up. At JR's Auto Detailing, we offer a lifetime warranty for undercoating services that protect your vehicle's components against rust, moisture, and salt. Proper preparation is key. We thoroughly clean and degrease every inch of the undercarriage, ensuring a smooth application of our rubberized coating. This not only protects but also reduces road noise for a quieter ride. Our team uses meticulous masking techniques to focus protection where it's needed most. This rubberized coating creates a durable barrier that resists abrasion, seals out water and salt, and won't crack, chip, or peel. The application begins. Using high-performance equipment, we evenly coat the undercarriage with a rust-proof, abrasion-resistant formula. This seals out water, protects against salt, and ensures your vehicle's components are safe from wear and corrosion. At JR's, no detail is overlooked. Our technicians perform a meticulous inspection to ensure full coverage, leaving every undercarriage component shielded and secure. Precision and care are the hallmarks of our work. Final touches ensure your undercoating is clean, effective, and ready to face the road. Built to last, your vehicle is now equipped to handle the elements. With JR's undercoating, you can drive confidently, knowing your investment is protected. Since 1997, JR's Auto Detailing has been the trusted choice for vehicle protection in Edmonton and Sherwood Park. With our lifetime warranty, your investment is protected for years to come. Contact us today for premium undercoating services.